What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the DJi RS3 MiNi. Alright, so yeah, I committed. I finally got one of these. It's going to make shooting things or events a heck of a lot easier and smoother. The quality that could come out of these things, only from what I've seen from watching other videos, in comparison to doing it by hand, which I have already done, I cannot wait to see the difference and basically never go back to using a camera strap or just freehanding it. I'll probably never ever go back after finally dipping into one of these. So let's just do an unboxing of this, show what comes in it. It's a DJi RS3 MiNi. This is a brand new model for this year. I can't wait to dig in and finally check this thing out. It's ultra light, 795 grams. I mean, this thing in the box here, I mean, it is not, I could tell this thing is not that heavy, but let's get in and check this out. So on the back here, see that little green tab right there? That's just a little pull tab. Pull it off, it's clear there. You could just see it. It's clear there. Now you can get right in. Pull this box right open there. You see that? You got the two tabs. That clear thing was right here in the middle. So now, oh, it opens up like a nice case. Look at this. Oh, right on camera. There we go. That's how it is inside the box. Nice black foam here. Right on the opening of the box to keep everything nice and secure. Nice. You got your little booklet here inside the package. You could just make that out. I'll take everything out in a second. So we got that. Empty little box in there just to create taking up space. This way nothing moves around, nothing can shift. None of that fun stuff. So we got another box here. There's all these symbols here. So we have probably the tripod, wire adapters, and maybe battery is in this box. So I'll get to that in 1 second. I just want to lift this thing out of here. But here it is. Comes inside this nice bag, all nice and sealed up. Right here there's a seam. It's glued shut. There we go. Okay, so now you can see I got it opened up. Oh, something's peeking. So let's just reveal this thing just like this. Why not? There it is. This thing looks awesome. Just how it sits right there. I mean, the one thing I do like about these, it has all the gimbal motors, the 3 locks, so you can lock the motor this way. No matter which way you hold it, no matter which way you turn it, it's locked in place. I was drawn to this feature in the MiNi because some of the other gimbals out there for the same price point do not come with that feature. So that right there, that was one of the selling key moments. So I'm just going to rest this down for a quick second and get into this user manual, the instruction booklet. This one here I'm not going to throw on the floor. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm actually going to get into this because I want to know all about this thing. We don't need the other language booklet. Quick starting guide. So, very simply laid out. It literally goes over step by step with you. Battery insert to unlocking the gimbals, how to set it up, putting on the mounting plate on the camera, mounting it on, which tab to slide to lock everything in. That's pretty cool. All the way up until turning it on and then getting to your QR code there to scan it and to just bring everything up right on your phone. If you can't figure this out, you can bring it up on your phone, check it all out. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Just like that. It's folded back up. So this other box I just showed you. Let's open this thing up. And this thing, man, they have really done a good job on packaging. I mean, these boxes, they're not cheap. They're not flimsy. They're solid. So we got our moisture packages there. I believe this gotta be everything is in its own bag. Everything's in its own little bag here. So let me just rip this open because I'm never gonna use this plastic again. That I'm gonna deliberately throw on the floor. So we got a camera sliding lock and plate right there. That is one piece. We got our screws here with a little tool on one of them to tighten it down. That's nice. I like that. Comes with 2 wires. So we got a USB-C to a USB-C. Then we also have a USB, probably 3.0 to USB-C. That's the 2 wires that were right there in the box. Even inside the box, I mean, look at it. They built a tray just to hold some stuff inside this other box. In this package right here, this has to be the, yep, this is the tripod. Man, this thing is gnarly looking. That is awesome. This thing is solid as can be. Wow. Let's just screw that right on there. So as you can see, with the tripod on there, I mean, it really isn't that big. It's really not. I mean, that thing is awesome looking. So yeah, this was just an unboxing video. I need to turn this thing on. I need to learn how to use it. I gotta balance my camera. Once I figure all that out, definitely come back, check it out. I'm gonna do a video on how to balance a camera, all that. All this stuff right here, I picked it up on Best Buy. I ordered it online. It wasn't available inside any store in my general area. So I ordered it online and I literally had it in the mail within, I believe it came on the 3rd day because I ordered it late at night, so they didn't process the order till the next day. Then they just start their shipping. So yeah, ordered it 3 days later. Here it comes in the box. So this thing, it cost me about, I think it was about $380 in total. It was on sale. It was down to like $369, I believe. And let me tell you, for what you get for that price point, I mean, just let alone, like I said, the lock-in gimbal motors, that right there, that was a big selling factor for me, because in transportation and trying to pack this away in a bag with some other camera equipment, being able to lock those gimbals and knowing that when you lift your bag up, it's not gonna just try and move around and get stuck on something. Now you go to open your bag or pull it out, you won't have that to deal with everything being stuck on it or whatever. So, but yeah, if you can't fit it in the bag, just simply unscrew the tripod off the bottom, and that is that. So yeah, this video is just to show you what comes in the box for the DJi RS3 Mini. This thing is all I wanted to show you today. If you like the video, hit that like button down below. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. It'll alert you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for new stuff coming your way. Take care.